Friends, welcome to Karthik IAS Academy. In this video, we are going to understand Mains Answer Development Program. When you're writing for UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, and Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, most of the aspirants are confused about the Mains Answer Development Program because a lot of materials are available in the market and a lot of resources which is available in the materials, websites, and a lot of resources. But what is the exact content to be written in the mains examination hall? So, still lot of people used to confuse what kind of information I have to keep in the examination with a just time period of 7 minutes. So, with 200 words. In this video, we are going to understand what is the importance of answer development. We used to collect number of materials from the market and we used to keep at home and we start reading it and writing something out of it. But are you really remembering those informations? Absolutely not. So at the end of the revision, and it is very difficult to consolidate such information which you have collected from the lot of materials. My dear students, in this video we are going to understand and an important writing skill development program with a time period of lifetime validity. So answers should be very unique, very precise, and the content should be very quality. So while writing this mains answer development program, most of the seniors used to say that our content should be very quality, and also the wording, whatever words you are using should be appropriate. So do you really we have to develop any tips and tricks while writing this examination? Yes, my dear students, there are few tips which are very helpful in writing the mains examination. That tips will be discussed in this video. At the same time, in this program, you are going to understand the most important aspects of mains development program. Look at the following, some answers which might be represented in the diagrammatic format, which is very easy for the examiner to understand what is the information you have written. So instead of description, it would be very easy to give a diagrammatic format. This might help you from others while you are getting a good number of marks from the examination. My dear students, this is the kind of tips and tricks we are going to give you in Karthikeya IAS Academy with a mains answer development program with a lifetime validity. Right? So look at the following. This is an important program. This is a special offer valid till 10th July 2021, lifetime validity. The mains answer development program with for 3 months of period, it is just a 2,000 of rupees. And for 6 months, it is 3,000 rupees. And for 12 months, it is 5,000 rupees. And if you want to take the mains development program for lifetime, that is unlimited items, it is 7,000 rupees. So please understand, the answers will be prepared by the expert faculty. The following program will be covered under the following headings. Daily 2 to 3 mains questions and answers will be discussed in both recorded and live sessions. Weekly and monthly grand test series will be conducted, followed by the evaluation by the expert faculty. And each question will be given a model answers with 24/7 support in online. So whoever wanted to join the mains answer development program, please call to 90000 22478 or 9182061841. So please take your mobile and call to this number, book your seat. These are the another programs which are lifetime validity. Whoever wanted to take this course, they can simply log on to our Karthikeya IAS Academy website, or you can call to this number. You will get the absolute information about the courses available at Karthikeya IAS Academy, Visakhapatnam. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.